Managing people is not an easy job. More than just solving problems, we have to empower our people. That way, everybody wins. That's why we have created People Scorecard, a people management software made for top, intermediate, and operational managers that allows fast, transparent, and professional analysis when it comes to making decisions regarding your people. On the People Scorecard's dashboard, you'll find all the information you're looking for, easily organized in widgets. With a simple interface, you can check all the information you're looking for in a second, as well as rearrange it and filter it. Those widgets are created by you to fit your needs. To create these widgets, it only takes 2 steps. First, add your data sources. Drag and drop them here or click to find them on your computer. Second, you'll need to define the KPIs you want. People Scorecard already has more than 900 KPIs registered to make your job easier. With a simple click, you can add or remove the KPIs you are looking for. After setting all these parameters, it is time to go back to the dashboard to create your widgets. Just click on Add Widget, choose both the category and the KPI you want, and that's it. Quick, transparent, and professional, like any other process should be. Visit our website to try People Scorecard and get all your questions answered.